How's she look?
Good.
Okay. You got metal shavings all over you. Come up here, let me wipe you off.
I sparkle. So what happened to be just a regular day of going to the mailbox turned into, an awesome day. Not one, but 2 packages, presents, from 2 of my favorite YouTubers, Project Dan H and Matt's Towing and Recovery. So let's start with Project Dan H first.
Oh, you're so funny. I mean, you are just a bug. If only people knew all the bugisms.
And I've got not 1, but 2 stickers. 4 stickers. Y'all see these?
Yes.
4.
Let me put one up to the...
Representing. I can't wait till I get 1,000 subs either, Project Dan. As soon and good luck with XJet as well. I can't wait to see what you do with it. Moving on to Matt's Towing. I think I may be one of the first fans to receive.
Well, you're an honorary member of the team.
Got number 3 hanging in the garage. And woo!
There it is.
It's official, Matt.
Look at it. Oh, yes.
How's it look?
It looks super cute.
And, oh, look at this.
Oh, wow. And that's a woman's.
And,
no way.
and it's a woman's.
Okay. Cut. You got to try it on, Bug.
Ha! Okay, voila! I'm official. I've got my XJ with my number 3 on it. I've got my hat. Now I've got my shirt.
How awesome.
Representing.
Thank you, Matt.
Thank you, Matt. Thank you, Project Dan H, from the bottom of my heart. Thank you both. I feel really special that y'all have taken the time and sent these gifts to me. I love you guys, and best of luck to both of your YouTube channels. Bug out. Hey guys, welcome back to another day and It's a Bug's Life. Today we will be installing the Zmoon lights that they sent us. We're gonna put them underneath our rear bumper. Now don't be thinking like those are gonna be knocked off. We have plans for that. We're gonna build some rocker guards that go underneath the Zmoon lights to protect them and actually give us some extra support in our rear quarter panels. So we'll get to that on another day. But today we're gonna install the lights and we're gonna show you how we do it. So let's get started. Is that good?
Right there. Perfect. Right there. Yep.
Sealed with a kiss.
There. I got a Bug's Life sticker on my toolbox. Who is that hot chick on there?
You're official now.
So we were sent these Zmoon lights. They got pretty much look like the same housing as all the lights at this level. And it looks like they do have a seal on there, but it could be something that you can take them apart if you want to put some silicone or something in them. They are definitely a budget light, but for the price, I don't think you can beat it. I mean, something hanging off the back of our rig that's for camping or backing up, I think it's probably, they're just fine. They come with a bracket like this to attach, so you can adjust your angle on it, and then they give you this. We're gonna modify it a little bit. You know, we went out and got some different like flats to put in here so we can make it waterproof. And then the switch, I mean, I think we can modify that too because it is just a double-sided tape-on switch, which I'm not a super fan of, but you know, we'll check it out. It comes with the fuses, it comes with a 40 amp relay. I think all for like, I don't know, what are they? What
$45,
like 45 bucks, I think. So,
yeah.
Guys, what do you think that is, Bug? That looks like what, about 10 inches to you?
6.
I guess glass to glass is, you know, about 5.5.
5.5?
Yeah.
Okay.
The whole thing is probably a little over 6. So we're going to install them on the back bumper. There's actually, I'll show you, there's some presets or some holes already there. So we're actually just going to go right, it's the second hole. There we go, the second hole in there. We're just going to drill out a little bit, and then that's going to be, it's going to be about right there. And then also the light allows you to slide this over kind of so we can kind of tuck it up under the Jeep a little bit. So, I mean, we're just going to use some drills, some wrenches, some soldering, some shrink wrap, and
the hole's right here.
Yep, so you can slide it either way. Yep, that'll work perfect.
Good.
Yep. All right, you guys, we'll show you the install, and then later on, as we use them for a while, we'll give you a review on their durability and the lighting. Oh, Bug, give me that look. I just said something off camera, and Bug just gave me the boo. Didn't you, Bug?
Yeah. We're going to use the 1764 drill bit, same size we use for our rock sliders.
Yeah, for the pinch seam, right?
Yeah, for the
yep.
Big guy for the pinch seam.
Yeah, it'll be perfect for it. Yeah, and I think that'll work. Oh, you're so cute, Bug. And there's a tongue out thinking. Bug's thinking. Now remember, that's. Just be careful with that, honey. I don't want your wrist going slamming into the exhaust pipe, okay? Whoa, let her go, baby. Let her go. Let her go. Reverse her out there, sweetheart. Careful, sweetheart. How's she look?
Good.
Okay.
Good.
You got metal shavings all over you. Come up here, let me wipe you off.
I sparkle. We're
at the front of the Jeep now. We took out this little guy from right here. It's 5/16, and we're just gonna attach our relay, right? It's tight in there, so I mean, she's gonna be way down in there, but we'll make her work. You grab me a 5/16, honey? Look at that, Tool Time girl. Remember Pamela Anderson when she was a Tool Time girl?
Yes, grew up watching that.
Yeah, that's you, Bug.
Oh, great.
Okay, so that's where our relay is gonna live, right there.
Perfect.
So then we're gonna have a negative. We're gonna have our hot. It's gonna have a fuse in it. It's gonna go right to the battery. So I just gotta find a place for the ground to live.
Metal's touching.
Oh, thanks, Bug. Look at the bug.
Don't you wrap it around this thing?
Yeah, I usually do. There you go.
There we go.
Okay, so once we kind of figure out where we're gonna run wires, we'll be back.
Sounds good.
Okay.
So Boo is sanding the side here for the ground.
Yeah, for our ground right there.
I think that'll be a good spot for the ground.
Yeah, it's about our only option, really.
Yeah, they don't give you a lot of wire, really, to work with.
Yeah.
I mean,
we'd have to extend it, but that's okay. Okay, this should be a nice ground. Then our hot is gonna go to our hot. Drop it like it's hot, so I need a 1/2 inch again, Bug. That's gonna go all the lights.
okay.
So that, we're gonna have to find a route.
Through.
Yeah, and then this, I think, we're gonna have to find a way through.
Here.
Our
Firewall.
firewall.
Got it.
Okay. Right, well, I mean, we'll have to, tidy that all up, right? I mean, honestly, I think we'll just run our positive again, right to the battery.
That will reach for the new ground?
Yeah, that should work, right? Yeah, that should be a 5/16 again, right? Yeah, let's ground him right there. Yeah. All right, let's get that roughed up. You want to hand me that sandpaper that's over there?
Good a spot as any for that ground.
I think so.
Here we are behind the brake pedal.
Yeah.
We fed them through that little rubber grommet there.
Yeah.
And then let me show you where we put it in from the engine. I can see him great.
That's
Perfect.
him right there. Yep.
Came out perfect.
That's it, yeah.
And then that's him.
Yeah.
Great job. That's my first time ever going through a firewall of any vehicle.
Yeah, isn't it, honey?
It was awesome. I have made fire.
I have made a hole. First time you ever penetrated a hole.
Hey!
Bug.
Boo! There's a line. He finds it. He crosses it. That is my boo.
All right. There we go, honey. You're wired up under the hood. Now we got to tidy it up, of course.
Right.
We'll zip tie it and put electrical tape and stuff on it. Now we just got to make some extension wires because these things were sold to go up front, right? So this is all the wire they gave us.
Oh, wow.
So this would have gone, here, in theory, behind the header, right?
Right.
And this would have gone over here. But since we're running to the back, we're going to take some 18 gauge wire and we're going to run it underneath the frame to the back and have it, tied up underneath there. And we're going to extend these wires out to our lights in the back. But for all intents and purposes, we're done under here.
Great. That wasn't that bad.
No.
Now we're trying to find a place to feed all the wires for the lights to go back to the back bumper.
Okay, so we have our wires that would normally be going to the front of the vehicle down behind that bracket right there that's holding on this. I guess that's probably the AC unit right there. And then we're gonna run them, you know, just down along the unibody. These will be down below the Jeep, and we'll connect them, waterproof them, and waterproof them back at the lights, and we'll be good to go. So we need 4 strands of wire.
So we're gonna be smart about this and actually go get some black wire. So just in case anything happens, we're not confusing positive with negative.
And we ran out of red wire.
Oh yeah, and we ran out of red wire. That played a part too. We just got back from the store and got some black wire.
So now we gotta basically extend the wires to the back, to the lights. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna do solder connections here, shrink wrap them, and then at the end of this, other end of this wire, we are going to put on these guys. These are
the male 0.25.
yeah, 2218 flats that are gonna go into the supplied connectors that they gave on the wiring harness from Zmoon. Mm-hmm. What do they call those third hands where they hold the wires for you? But that's gonna be the buggy.
That'll be me.
Right? Okay. So I gotta get set up for solder.
I was trying to get in there, don't I?
I love it though.
Well done, babe.
I got you. It should be okay, huh?
Yeah, that was really good. Yeah, all of our solder will come out that good. Yeah!
That's awesome.
We're that good.
Throw some electrical tape right around there.
Okay.
Well, just at this joint right here, you know what I mean? So now we need to good. Look at that, Doug.
Solid.
Nice. So you got your shrink wrap on, and then since this stuff's going underneath the Jeep and stuff, we're pretty much, you know, we're waterproofing everything, doing soldered connections. Seems solid to me.
No. No.
Need me to squeeze a little bit?
Yep.
So these guys we just made, coming off the light for the extension, those will slip right in there, like so, and then that'll slide over it, and we're good to go.
Yeah, it came with little shrink wraps.
Yeah, so we'll be good to go. Put like a little dielectric grease down there or something, or even fluid film shooting in there and keep it good to go. That'll be fun. Buggy's gonna have some reverse lights.
Man, light up the trail.
Yeah, that'll be awesome, huh?
That will be cool. Can't have them hit the control arm, okay.
Only thing I'm worried about is the exhaust and these 2 connections right here.
Right.
Well, there's a hole right there that I think I could get a zip tie through and hold those 2 tight right there. There is a hole right on top of this control arm. I'd like to get away from the exhaust, and I guess maybe come over to this side. See if that, hopefully that doesn't hang down too low. No, it's just right, huh? Aiming down like that's okay, right?
Yes.
So we're just gonna put this up on top. We're gonna put the lock washer right there. And we're gonna put that right there.
Man.
You like it?
Yep. So just a 1/2 inch to get her all tight?
Yeah. She's in there. Rock solid. Look at that. We should probably take right now, and just every 6 inches or so, put a little piece of tape. You know what I mean?
Yep.
Let's get these things together. Let's grab some electrical tape and get these wires together. Can you grab that, honey? Okay, got it. From there, through here, and maybe above here, and then we connect these 2. And then we roll up to the front. We will have to cross this exhaust pipe at some point.
Okay.
So I think, you know, once we get the other one over here, honey, from the fuel tank, we'll put them both in the wire loom.
Yes.
Right? And then we'll run it up here. I think we come across here and get above the rock slider over there.
Okay.
And we'll just zip tie it up there. And I mean, I think it'll be okay. We could put a zip tie on there right there, right? And wire the loom to that. Look at that. That would work.
That would work.
That would work.
That will work.
Yeah.
That's what we're gonna do.
Yep.
Boo's putting a loom around the wires now. We have now officially connected the front wires with the back wires. That's a good feeling.
Well,
There.
we can go like
There.
zip tie this.
Underneath the rock slider. Well done with that one. There's a Boo. Just electrical taping
Yeah, we're almost done.
the front of the Jeep with the back of the Jeep.
Yeah, we got the waterproof connectors, but we're still gonna tape this up at the end of the wire loom real good here.
Man, if we had a floor jack or a lift,
Oh, it's so awesome.
A, it'd be easier, and B, it'd be way easier to
All right,
film.
some more tapey, baby.
More tape? Okay.
Yeah, please. This is an awkward position down here.
Isn't it?
It is.
They should have footage of us taking footage
Right.
and taping.
I'm just kind of not doing the greatest tape job that
You're good, Boo.
I want it.
You're
I
good.
want it to be. Set it, you're good, bug.
So we got Boo actually sitting inside the engine. He's zip tying and sticking and stuffing.
Okay. Comes up on top of the upper control arm there.
Oh yeah.
And just comes up on the side. Zip tied right to there. Comes up here. Nice and tucked back down in there.
Yep.
That's it. Why don't you go push your button, baby? Go push your button. There you go, honey.
I love them.
I bet you do.
Those things are bright too.
You got some backup lights.
Baby, you're awesome.
We're awesome. There's those wires.
Boo's just putting some finishing touches, making everything nice and neat at the back of the engine.
Yeah, you'll never know there was any wires around there.
No, that was great. So professional.
Yep. There you
That's
go.
great, babe.
Where's my little wire clipper,
Right here.
guysy?
You got him right there.
Okay.
Boom. Boom. All right, guys, it's done. And just a big thank you to my Boo. He worked so hard today to make sure that we got these Zmoon lights put in today, and I love them.
And correctly.
They're going to be a lot of fun out on the trail, and I think they look pretty cool too. So, and I learned a lot today too, and you know, dragging wires from the front of the Jeep to the back of the Jeep, and it turned into a zip tie little project at the front, and some shrink wrap at the beginning. So it was,
And putting it all in wire loom. I mean,
oh, the wire loom.
done
that was
correctly,
so cool.
huh, honey?
That was so cool. So fun project today, and I'm glad we took you guys along with it. It was a little bit hard to film along the way, so please, guys, like this video. We worked hard. Subscribe if you haven't already. Ring that bell so you don't miss a single day, and we'll see you next time on another day of It's a Bug's Life. They are bright.
yeah.
I'm blind.
There. You want to go shut them off and on?